Okay, now you all should be on your page 43 of the workbook. I repeat, page 43 of the workbook. And I think 6.3, right? Okay. Sure. 6.3. What reforms were done by William Bentinck in India? We know that William Bentinck was a reformer, right? So, what good things, what positive things did he do for India? That we have to mark. Now, this answer is divided in many parts. So, be very careful. मैं थोड़ा slowly बोलूँगी, लेकिन आप ध्यान से mark करते जाना. The answer is on page 35. Go to page 35, all of you. Yes. See the third line. Lord William Bentinck became 6.3, page 35, third line. All of the starting point. Okay, start from there. Lord William Bentinck became quite popular in India by introducing few beneficial reforms. During his time, India started getting jobs in company administration. Indians were allowed to use their mother tongue in the court of law. Mark up to court of law. Have you marked? Court of law. Now, next line, last word. Go to the next line, last word. What is the last word? Next line, last word. What is it? Is it E and the end? Is it? So, what you will do? Cancel the word and write down HED. Okay? He passed a law in 1829 to ban the practice of sati. Mark up to sati. Done? Okay. After that, वहां पर ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर दो. After that, leave 8 lines and see the 9th line. And education committee. Leave 8 lines and see the 9th line. And education committee. अभी A को करोगे capital A, okay? And education committee was formed during the time of Bentinck. Mark up to Bentinck. Done? Okay. अभी नीचे नीचे चले जाओ. थिंक वाला बॉक्स है, उसके भी नीचे मेनी मशीन्स. थिंक वाला बॉक्स है, उसके भी नीचे मेनी मशीन्स. डिड यू फाइंड इट? Okay, start from there. Many machines were invented to facilitate the industry's transport and communication. Mark up to communication. Done? Now turn your page and see this second line. Modern methods. Turn your page, number 36, second line, modern methods. Can you all find that? Yes. M को कर दो capital. M will be capital. Modern methods of post and telegraph were introduced in India in 1854 CE. Printing press and circulation of newspapers grew alongside. Up to alongside. That's a 6.3 complete. Did all of you understand this answer properly? Points नहीं है, 5 parts है. Points you will have to write. Yes, 5 parts हमने answer mark किया है. Write 1 sentence, 1 point like that. Okay? चलो, any doubts? Fine. Now turn your page. हाँ, if you have space you can write it. एग्जाम में तो लिख नहीं है. Turn your page 44 in the workbook. See the last question, 6.4. How did the people of India benefit due to the reforms made by the British? We know that directly the people were not benefited. Second thing, the people were also doubtful. There was suspicions regarding the reforms. But indirectly भी वो benefit तो हुए थे. So how did they benefit indirectly? That is the question. Clear all of you? Okay, the answer is on page number 36. See the last paragraph. That full paragraph makes your 6.4. Starting from these reforms were actually up to brought people closer. Do you want me to read the full answer? Did you get the answer? 6.4 paragraph. Okay. So here we end the chapter. If anybody has any doubts, please raise your hands so that I can ask you one by one. All of you will not ask together. Raise your hands. And I want all the videos on. Okay, I cannot see any hands raised. So I hope that all of you have understood. Okay? Yes, Naya? नैया बोलो. 6.1 तो हमने कल कर लिया था बेटा. What is the question? Okay. Chalo, now we still have lot of time left. So without wasting any time, we are directly starting with the next chapter. Ready all of you? ओके फाइन. एंड दिस अभी जो हमने सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर्स मार्क किए हैं, क्वेश्चन 5 एंड क्वेश्चन 6, शॉर्ट आंसर्स एंड लॉन्ग आंसर्स, राइट इट एंड कीप इट रेडी. ये आपका जाएगा अब अगले होमवर्क में. व्हेन इज योर नेक्स्ट होमवर्क डे? मंडे. तो मंडे भले हॉलीडे होंगे, हाँ हॉलीडेज भले चल रहे होंगे, बट मैं क्लासरूम में अपलोड करूंगी और आप ऑन और बिफोर वेडनेसडे मुझे रिटर्न करेंगे, क्योंकि हमें एक्चुअली मंडे तक वेट ही नहीं करना है. हमारा तो आज ही हो जाएगा, मैक्सिमम टुमारो, राइट? सो नोबडी विल गिव मी कि मैडम हॉलीडेज है, आपने होमवर्क दिया, हम कब करेंगे, कब सबमिट करेंगे. नो, हॉलीडेज के लिए अभी 2 दिन बाकी है एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड इट टुडे. If you want to enjoy your holidays, write it today itself and keep it ready. PDF भी बना के ready रख दो. Okay? So next Monday, as soon as the homework is uploaded, you will directly send it to me. You will submit it to me, and Wednesday will be your submission, as you all know. Okay? Anything else to ask? Anything else to ask? Okay, so go to the textbook, page number 37. We are starting with new chapter number 7, environmental changes. Now, environment. What do you mean by the word environment? Yes. Environment includes around you. Whatever is surrounding you, whatever is there nearby you makes your environment. Okay? Suppose natural environment, that air, water, land, sky, mountains, roads, all of these make our natural environment. Okay? And when you are sitting in a class, suppose आप क्लास में बैठे हो, तो benches है, table है, chair है, blackboard है, doors, windows, that are also surrounding you. Surrounding में तो ये भी आता है, but that makes your human environment. Okay? Natural environment and man-made environment. Here in this chapter, we are going to concentrate more on the natural environment. And the name of the chapter is environmental changes. Now, you might have noticed that since some of the last years, when it is summer, the temperature goes very high. When it is winter, the temperature goes very low. And during rainy season, it rains also very heavily. Right? अगर आपके घर में यस अगर आपके घर में दादा दादी या नाना नानी रहते यू आस्क योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स तो उन्होंने कभी इतनी गर्मी देखी ही नहीं होगी right nowadays in the winter season the temperature goes up to 45 degrees 46 degrees so during the time of our parents it had never happened that 45 degree तक temperature गया होगा and especially during the time of our grandparents 45 तो सिर्फ डेजर्ट एरियाज में होता था and nowadays here in a city area we are experiencing such a high temperature और इतना टेम्परेचर आजकल इंक्रीज हो रहा है नो वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली अबाउट गुजरात और इंडिया वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट होल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ये पूरे वर्ल्ड की बात करें ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड द टेम्परेचर इज गोइंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग we use the word global warming for them you might have heard this global warming right and we know that the north pole and the south pole they are snow covered throughout the year है ना नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल क्योंकि वो सन से बहुत ही दूर है दे आर थ्रू आउट द ईयर दे आर कवर्ड विथ स्नो तो वो नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल का स्नो भी बिकॉज ऑफ हाई टेम्परेचर बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग द स्नो हैज स्टार्टेड मेल्टिंग और वो पूरा मेल्टेड स्नो जो है वो लैंड की तरफ ओशंस की तरफ जा रहे हैं एंड द वाटर लेवल ऑफ ओशन इज गेटिंग इन डे बाय डे डू अंडरस्टैंड so not only the temperature during summer goes very high that is not the only thing but during winter again the decreasing temperature is also so high 10 डिग्री 9 डिग्री तक पहले कभी भी हमारे यहाँ पर डिक्रीज नहीं हुआ था टेम्परेचर nowadays that is also seen right so what are these environmental changes how do they affect the people as a whole not only India but how do they affect the people of the world what are the disadvantages of these things all these things we are going to learn in this chapter okay so are you clear with the title all of you yes yes okay let's start keep a pencil in your hand we are going to write the meanings of hard words in the textbook itself the air that envelops the earth from all sides is atmosphere the air that envelops means covers you know what is an envelope है ना जिसमें लेटर डाल के भेजते हैं तो yes लिफाफा so underline the word envelopes and write the meaning covers the air that covers the earth from all the sides is known as atmosphere and I think you know this what is atmosphere right the atmosphere is getting polluted due to human activities I think you know pollution what is pollution वो भी very good. The environment gets polluted due to industries, factories, power stations, and vehicles. Power stations are the type of the industries where lot of machines are working, where energy is getting generated. और वो machines इतना आवाज करते हैं कि they it spreads lots of noise pollution also. And vehicles तो आपको पता ही है the chimneys of industries and factories. So whole of the cover on the earth atmospheric cover is getting polluted especially because of the human beings okay the changes that occur in temperature direction of wind moisture etc due to global warming as known as environmental changes so whatever surrounds us is known as environment and whatever make changes is known as environmental changes moisture now what is the meaning of moisture Yes, moisture, जिससे ह्यूमिडिटी राइट मॉइस्चर मीनिंग ह्यूमिडिटी जिसको हम बोलते हैं भेज वाली हवा भेज वाली हवा में क्या होता है कपड़े जलते नहीं है ना और यस और जो यस गाड़ी की खिड़कियां ग्लासेस होता है लीव्स होता है उसके ऊपर यू कैन स्मोक ड्रॉपलेट्स ओके Yes, wall. You can see moisture. It is seen during the rainy season. Okay, so moisture में भी changes आ चुके हैं, direction of wind, temperature, everything is getting changed nowadays. And so this process is known as the environmental changes. Okay, do you understand the word environmental change? Okay, now you can see a table given to you over here. Can you see a table? Yes. Now find out the places that experience extreme rain, heat, cold, and extreme climatic conditions with the help of the given table. Also find out the reasons for the same. Now, if you see in the table, you have been given, first of all, the number is given, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Country is given, और उसी country का highest temperature, lowest temperature, and rain. It is given. Okay, let's check with Russia. Russia in winter it is 15 degree. Sorry, in summer it is 15 degree. Winter it is minus 20 degree. Just imagine minus 0 degree पे the water starts getting converted into ice. ये तो आपको पता है ना? Yes, 22 पे और ये हम बोल रहे हैं minus 20. So you can imagine how cold it might be. Okay, and the rain is 100 centimeters per year. Iran, summer temperature is 30 degree, winter is 10 degree, and rain is 50. Then Brazil, Norway, Philippines, Saudi Arabia. You can see all these countries. Okay, now looking at these countries, tell me that which is the hottest country in the world. Yes, it is Saudi Arabia, which experienced 45 degrees during summer. Okay, which is the coldest country? Which is the coldest country in the world? You have to just study the table. Yes, it is Norway which experiences as less as minus 40 degrees temperature. And which country gets the maximum rainfall in the world? Yes, it is Philippines. And which country gets the lowest rainfall? Saudi Arabia, right? So यही यस, तो सेम क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों को वर्कबुक में आने ही वाले हैं. ओके, सो वी आर ओनली स्टडिंग द टेबल सो दैट वी कैन कम टू नो. सभी कंट्रीज के नहीं आएंगे, बट द हॉटेस्ट कंट्री, कोल्डेस्ट कंट्री, कंट्री विद मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल, कंट्री विद मिनिमम रेनफॉल, ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी हैव टू रिमेम्बर. मैक्सिमम मिनिमम वाले ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. एम आई क्लियर? Okay. Now let us see what is weather. Vaidya Radhika video. The country temperature, rain and moisture, that is humidity in any region at a particular point of time is known as weather. वैसे आपको तो पता ही है weather, है ना? रोज हम न्यूज में weather report देखते हैं. Yes or no? Right? हाँ, कब बारिश आएगी, कल का टेम्परेचर क्या होगा, कितनी ठंडी होगी, कितनी गर्मी. बट देर आर टू वर्ड्स जो शायद आपने सुने ही होंगे. एक है वेदर और दूसरा है क्लाइमेट. तो व्हाट वी डू जनरली, हमारे हिसाब से वेदर मीन्स क्लाइमेट, क्लाइमेट मीन्स वेदर. Okay, we use it interchangeably, but actually weather is always for a short period of time. Weather keeps on changing every day or twice in a day, thrice in a day, while climate is experienced for a long period of time. This is the main difference between weather and climate. Okay, जैसे take an example कि climate में generally क्या होता है, hot, cold and rain. जबकि वेदर में क्या होता है, हॉट, कोल्ड, रेनी, क्लाउडी, सैंडी, ड्राई, वेट, ब्रीजी, स्टॉर्मी. समझ में आ रहा है ऑल ऑफ यू? यस. नाउ टेक एन एग्जांपल कि अभी क्लाइमेट कौन सा चल रहा है? व्हाट इज द क्लाइमेट राइट नाउ गोइंग ऑन? रेनी सीजन, ठीक है। नाउ अभी क्लाइमेट एज एज अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, अगस्त में रेनी सीजन होता है, लेकिन वेदर में क्या होता है कि इन द मॉर्निंग इट इज वेरी कोल्ड, सुबह सुबह ठंडी लगती है, फैन स्लो करना पड़ता है। फिर जैसे जैसे आफ्टरनून होगा तो इट विल बी वेरी हॉट, धूप आने लगेगी बहुत ज्यादा। अभी भी आप अगर खिड़की के देखोगे धूप है। और जैसे इवनिंग होगा इट विल स्टार्ट रेनिंग। ओके। और यस, और एट नाइट व्हाट विल हैपन, रात को मॉइस्ट मॉइस्ट हो जाएगा, देयर विल लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमिडिटी। तो इन वन डे इटसेल्फ वी एक्सपीरियंस फोर वेदर कंडीशंस: कोल्ड, हॉट, रेनी एंड ह्यूमिड। बट एज अ होल, क्योंकि ये अगस्त है, द क्लाइमेट इज रेनी। ओके। तो क्लाइमेट is generally decided on a basis of long period of time, generally 30 to 35 years, कि इतने सालों से 30 years 35 years actually more, August is a rainy season, राइट। बट ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि रेनी सीजन है तो 3 महीने तक 24 घंटे रेन 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 ही होगा। नो, क्लाइमेट इज रेनी बट वेदर कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग। So, do you understand very clearly what is the difference between weather and climate? Yes? Okay. So, weather and climate, from now onwards we are not going to use it interchangeably. Weather climate दोनों एक नहीं है. Weather keeps on changing daily, sometimes twice or thrice a day, but climate is for a long period of time. Am I very clear, all of you? Yes. Weather is a short. Yes, correct. Yes. हम्म, तो उसको बोलते हैं वेदर। ठीक है। सो आई थिंक यू आर वेरी क्लियर द विद द डिफरेंस बिटवीन। यस। नाउ रीड द डेफिनेशन। व्हाट इज वेदर? वापस से रीड करो। The condition of temperature, rain and moisture in any region at a particular point of time is known as weather. Particular point. अभी cloudy है, उसके बाद rainy भी हो सकता है, right? What would be the weather of this place? Write your answer in your notebook after carefully observing the given maps. You can see there are two maps of India given to us. Can you see the two maps of India? Okay. Now, if you see the first map जो green color का दिखाया है, there are some of the names of the places given. दिल्ली, लखनऊ, अहमदाबाद, मुंबई, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद, कोलकाता, डिब्रूगढ़, दिख रहे हैं आपको? Yes. And in near every city, you can see that there is a number given. जैसे दिल्ली है तो उसमें दिया है 32 and 19. Can you see that? फिर अहमदाबाद है तो उसमें दिया है 38 and 22. सबको दिख रहा है, नहीं दिख रहा है? फिर मुंबई है तो इट इज 31 and 24. Now, what are these figures? These numbers show the highest and lowest temperature of the places. जैसे दिल्ली में 32, अहमदाबाद 38, मुंबई 31. This is the maximum temperature. And Delhi 19, अहमदाबाद 22, मुंबई 24. These are the minimum temperature. तो इससे आपको क्या पता चलता है? Which will be the hottest city? Ahmedabad. And which will be the coldest city? Which is the coldest city out of these three? Which is the coldest city? Fast. It is Delhi. Okay? So, yes. Because we know Delhi is located near to the Himalayas as compared to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad से Himalayas बहुत दूर होते हैं. Delhi से नजदीक होते हैं. Right? So looking at the temperatures, can you easily understand what will be the weather of a particular place? Yes. Now go to the second map given to us, which is blue in color. Can you see there is a lot of white shading in northeast part? So there the temperature will be low. And in other places, Himalaya से जैसे जैसे आप दूर 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 जा रहे हो, the temperature will increase. Okay? So this shows how you can decide the weather of a place looking at a map. और आप सब ने मुझे आंसर दिए हैं, so I can understand that you are very well in studying the maps. Any doubt? Okay, I can. Okay, turn the page. Now let us see what is climate. वो भी वैसे हमें तो पता ही है ना? The average condition of rain temperature and moisture for over more than 35 years. उसके बाद क्या लिखा है नेक्स्ट लाइन में 35 years के बाद? 35 years के बाद. ओके अभी देखो इसमें एक छोटा सा ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है. इफ यू लुक एट द इट इज रिटन मोर देन 35 years. फिर नीचे की लाइन में क्या लिखा है? इन एनी इज. कैसा लिखा है? इट इज एक्चुअली इन एनी प्लेस. ये प्लेस वर्ड जो है मिसिंग है. यू हैव टू एड द वर्ड प्लेस. Okay, so now your definition will be the average condition of rain temperature and moisture for over more than 35 years in yes, in any place is known as climate. And you can see a very nice picture shown to you. In one picture you can see there is lot of dryness. There are trees but all the trees are very dry. और दूर दूर तक you can yes, and दूर दूर तक you cannot see any water area at all. While in the second picture you see only water, water, water. Yes, so these two pictures. Yes, so these two places show us the extreme weather climate, extreme hot and extreme cold. Okay, so this is what shows the weather of a place. Can you understand the pictures? Okay, fine. Yes, Radhika is raising the hand. Any doubt, Radhika? Now there is another point given to us, greenhouse farming. Now एक टेक्निक है फार्मिंग की विच इज नोन एज ग्रीन हाउस फार्मिंग. अब नाम पर से पता चल जाता है इट इज डन इन अ हाउस. घर के अंदर करते होंगे. नाउ इफ यू नो दैट फॉर द प्लांट्स टू ग्रो सनलाइट इज वेरी नेसेसरी. यस और नो? विदाउट द प्लांट्स कैन नॉट मेक देयर फूड एंड दे कैन नॉट ग्रो. फूड नहीं बनेगा बनेगा तो ऑब्वियसली दे कैन नॉट ग्रो. And this problem is generally experienced as the places covered with snow. जो एकदम ठंडी places है, the places which are totally covered with snow, there they cannot get the sunlight enough. हाँ sun rays आता है दिन में 3 4 5 घंटे. They do have sun rays, but it is not enough for the plants. Okay, तो वो ऐसा house बनाते हैं in which the house absorbs the sun rays. उसमें sun rays अंदर चले जाते हैं फिर बाहर नहीं निकल पाते. Can you understand? You can see the picture of the house is shown to you. So it is made in such a manner that the house absorbs the sunlight and it remains inside the house even at night. And this helps the plants to grow very easily. More of explanation and reading work we will do in the next lecture. But I think you can get a small idea